My name is Favor from Arknote Media Global. Watch till the end to learn something valuable today, hosted by Arknote Academy.
In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to generate something like this.
Do not underestimate the power of the tomato. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, they protect your heart and keep your skin healthy and glowing.
I told you guys that I'm going to be teaching you on how to animate using Whisk. So today, this is my prompt from ChatGPT. I said, create a cinematic 4K image prompt of a pretty Nigerian lady dressed in the Yoruba culture in Lagos market where peppers, tomatoes, and vegetables are sold. So, and ChatGPT was able to generate this image prompt for us. So let me copy it. Yeah, so sorry. So once we're done copying, then we go to Whisk. Yeah, so we paste here. So don't forget, I told you that you need to select the aspect ratio, which is the landscape. So after selecting, then you can click on generate. So can you see the image that Whisk actually generate for us? So you can select anyone, but I will go for this. Let's animate this. So once you're done, just click on animate. We actually need to put some commands, so I already have one here. Okay, so we say make her talk about the medical benefits of tomatoes in human body. So in human body, so we click on, after typing your instruction, so you can click on this icon, then we'll wait for Whisk to generate the animation. Now Whisk is done generating the animation. Let's play.
Do not underestimate the power of the tomato. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, they protect your heart and keep your skin healthy and glowing. Do not underestimate the power of...
So can you see, this is actually educational. Something that you can always create, compile, then make it as a video, maybe like 1 minute video, and after you're done, you can just export. Then you keep uploading. Consistency is the key. So you keep uploading. Probably maybe you are in the health field or whatsoever. So you can always do this and just talk about the medical benefits of certain stuff that people eat. You understand? So with this, you can just click on download. So either download as normal video or download as animated GIF. So let's download. So can you see? File downloaded already. With that, you're good to go, and you can also share. You can also share the link with someone else. You understand? So there are.
Of the tomato, rich in vitamin.
You can also delete the video. If you don't want it, you can delete it. See at the top side of your screen where it says 5 generation. Ability to generate video on Whisk is actually limited. You understand? So you might want to consider another one, which I'll be sharing with you. That one you can always generate as many videos as you want. But in my next video, I'll be sharing that with you. Till then, kindly like, comment, and share. Don't be a selfish person. Share. Yes, share. So see you in my next video. Bye.